You will be amazed by this 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take life's challenges in stride in the fully capable Tahoe. Spacious and quiet, athletic and safe, it's a powerful ally awaiting your command. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, heated and/or cooled front seats, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, sun, moon roof. Getting the job done feels good. Getting it done in upscale comfort feels even better. Drive the Tahoe.